Welcome to Accounts Payable Soundbites, the program where we explain simple and complex accounts payable issues in short, concise soundbites. In this session, we'll address two nifty ways to reduce, if not completely eliminate, those annoying calls that you can expect to receive in January or early February about those new 1099 forms. By the way, you can hit the notification bell at the top so you are notified whenever a new video is posted if you so desire. Okay, before I talk about the solutions, let me give you a brief overview of what the problem is. And I have to tell you, if you're like me, you probably don't realize that there was a problem. I know I didn't until I heard somebody talk about it. And then obviously, as soon as I heard him talk about it, I realized it was going to be a problem. So what's the problem? As you know, we have a new 1099 form coming out in January, that's to be used in January, that will replace some of the information that's on the 1099 MISC. It's the 1099 NEC. We've got a short video, I think it's about 3 minutes, on this topic, which I'll include a link to it in the show notes if you're not up to speed on it. So what's the problem? Well, many of the people that you send a 1099 NEC form to in January are going to be expecting a 1099 MISC. So when they get this form, they're going to look at it, and if they don't know about the new form, they're going to pick up the phone and they're going to call you and they're going to say, you sent me the wrong form, or you didn't send me my 1099 MISC, or whatever. But the bottom line is you're going to get a lot of calls. So for example, if you send out 1,000 1099s each year, you can expect that over half the people won't know about this new form, and they'll be calling up, and that's 500 calls. And 500 calls, extra calls over the course of a 2 or 3 week period is a lot. So you want to alert them to the problem. So I heard the solution from my pal, Steve Mercatante, who pointed it out when he was doing a webinar for AP Now. And he said, there's a really simple solution. He said, this year, when you send out your 1099s, make sure you include a letter with it explaining what the problem is and that the IRS has this new form and that they're getting it. And they may also, by the way, get a 1099 MISC in March. But anyway, just lay it out and explain it to them. Once they see this, they won't have to make the call. And that seemed like a really good idea. And so I, recommend it to everyone, and I'm here talking about it. But after I thought about it for a while, I thought, what's going to happen to some people? They're going to get the form, they're going to put it aside, they're going to throw that letter away, and then when they get ready to file their taxes, they're going to look and they're going to say, oh, it's the wrong form, and they're going to call you anyway, even though you put it in this letter and you explained everything to them. So it occurred to me so that when you got this call, you might be tempted to say, well, didn't you read the letter I sent you, Nimrod? But that's not really a good way to handle somebody that you want to have an ongoing relationship with. So you're going to bite your tongue. You're not going to say that. And you're going to go through this explanation. But rather than go through this explanation, you want to convert that letter. You want to put it in an email form. And this way, when anybody calls, you can just email them the standard email, so they'll get the same information that they would have gotten if they'd bothered to read your letter. Likewise, some people will email you with this. And so you'll have that letter in the email format, and you'll be able to respond without having to spend a whole lot of time addressing the same topic over and over again. Okay, that's it for today. Please check out our AP Now podcast and other sound bites like this on our channel. And of course, we always appreciate those thumbs up and shares when you happen to see one of our broadcasts that you like.